What is this called, Mom? The hop on, hop off tour?
Yeah. And they play some heat up in this joint. Y'all need to go check this out now.
Okay, some traditional Irish music. Josh is really feeling it.
Now we are on Nassau Street, a street well known for its quality.
We're gonna go to the Guinness Storehouse, maybe the prison.
Some of the most famous are the House of Ireland and the Kilkenny Design Centre, selling Irish goods ranging from tweeds to glassware and pottery. This is our stop for shopping on Nassau Street.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, B.
Now we are on Marion Square, the first of the Georgian squares we will be visiting. Remember that these were private parks in times gone by, only open to the residents of the area. On the right-hand side, there are quite a number of buildings of interest. The first one...
What's up here? I need to put this back on my tongue. Can you see it?
I don't know. It's probably pretty much dissolved because you're...
I got boogers.
No, we're not going in. I can't. No, you're freaking weird. We're getting tickets to Guinness. Josh is completely off it.
Completely who?
Off it.
You get one ticket? One
Are you
drink?
gonna drink
Or
your
is it
pint
like
when
a
you're
drink?
here?
No, I'm looking for cider.
They don't have cider here.
So.
We're at the Guinness Brewery. Sorry. Gabby's not happy with that.
Cider.
When you're too hyped to be at the Guinness Museum? Okay, he wants. You.
Michael Jackson impression.
I swear to God, we cannot take him anywhere.
They call me MJ. Michael Jackson's back, baby.
Okay, well, yeah. We'll vlog more when we're in the experience. He hasn't stopped dancing this whole trip, I swear to God. Does what?
But it's wet.
Do it again? Go ahead, do it
He's
again.
gonna start kicking everywhere.
This tour, Gabby and I are matching today, and it was completely unintentional. It's crazy in here. Can't wait to have a pint. Josh is shopping. And yeah, I'm excited. We'll bring you on the tour.
In 1988, the fermentation process, which is the process where you add the yeast to the brew to make it alcoholic.
Wash your hands. Watch. This is how you say to wash your hands.
What not to do?
Like that. That's it. Please. Come on, I'll show you how to make some Guinness.
What?
That's not water, it's piss. From the third floor bathroom. has the Guinness logo. Step 2, tilt your glass like this at a 45-degree angle. Pull the handle all the way out. And then straighten your glass, and you stop here. The end of the first part is you stop there at the golden heart, top of the golden heart, leave it there to the next about 90 seconds altogether. Then you come back, and it's changed colour to black, and this time you don't pull, you push forward gently. Next gas comes out, you get a better head, right? And step number 6 is presentation. Your heart facing out, you're serving the customer, and service with a smile. So there you go. Now, what's your name?
How do you feel after that?
Huh?
How do you feel after your tour?
My feet tired.
That's what you have to say.
She asked me how did I feel about the tour. You said, how do I feel? I physically feel, I'm feeling tired.
We're not talking to you anymore.
Okay, well.
How do I feel about the tour? That was dope. That was pretty dope.
How do you two feel about the tour?
I feel awesome.
Amazing.
Liddy bop it.
Mom is on my glass of cider because I couldn't finish it.
Guinness.
I meant Guinness, but I did tap a really good glass of Guinness. I can't talk.
Lit?
But we're starving. But I want to go do something else, so we'll see.
What are we doing?
Okay, so how is everyone's day? Good. Woo!
Liddy bop it.
Yeah, okay. He can't ever be normal. Mom, how was your day?
So good.
Yes, I'm very full. We just had bubble waffles. Is that what they're called?
Bubble waffle.
It's fine. I'm just
Good.
breaking my ankles. We just saw the Temple Bar. So, like, now we've officially come to Ireland. We've done it. We did the Guinness tour today. Going to Wicklow.
Guinness.
Yes, buddy.
There we go.
What are we doing tomorrow? Wicklow?
Wicklow.
Wicklow. I don't ever remember the names of any place here.
Cork.
Wicklow in the morning and then Cork in the afternoon.
Kiss
and
the
the
Blarney
nighttime.
Stone.
Yeah,
Oh my girl. Gosh, carry her. Get up on the sidewalk.
Gabby almost just broke her ankle. Oh my god. Okay, so Jess is having a sleepover with us tonight. Lots of fun. Hopefully we can get her a cot to sleep on, or we're sharing a twin bed. And yeah. So I'm sure there'll be plenty of vlogs with Jess, Mom, and I together later.
Yeah.
Yo!
Not him,
Yo!
no.
I'm coming to the sleepover. It's gonna be lit as fuck.
Okay,
Tell me
so
about the park. Oh, bro, let me get this. Yo, so we was in the goddamn the place eating and shit, right? And tell me. Oh, my bad. We was in the
story.
all right. We was in the place eating, right? And some little boy was like, "Yo, look, there's a nigger there."
No, he called you a black lad. You little shit.
It's basically the same thing. He called me a black lad. Like, what, bro? These people never seen black people. And the minute I got off the plane, I texted Bryn. I was at the airport, and I was like, yo, I'm the only black guy on the plane. Like, this is real. I knew it was coming. And as soon as we got to, like, the place, the little kid was looking at me, eating this chicken wing. He couldn't eat the chicken wing. And called me a black lad. Like, what,
Okay,
bro?
but wait. You're forgetting the whole part that granted, oh, my pop socket is broken. He was a little kid. I get it. It was still wrong, but it made it even more wrong because I watched him say it and I was like, I'll just say something later. No biggie. Well, then his father had to point it out to everyone that he called him that.
Black.
And then when they were leaving, he picks the little boy up and he's like, yeah, he's like, say goodbye to everyone, you little fucker. So Yeah, the dad just made it 10 times worse than it had to be. What? Okay, mom's stopping for a minute. But yeah, this is a 3-minute clip. This is really long. So everybody say bye.
Bye.
Josh, say bye.
Peace, nigga.
I'm about to get run over by a car.
I look fat. Yeah.
Okay. On that note, we gotta go.
How do you get those little tags on it?
Is Liddy
Hi, I was wondering if we could possibly get a cot up in room 419. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Don't let my mom see that.
We'll put the little ducky over it. There's not even a ducky thing.
Just put a little drink. I
That
really
was-
could use another. Should I call back and get more for a second?
Yeah, probably. Probably. That was, I wish I would have vlogged that earlier. That was the perfect Dumb and Dumber moment because I didn't want to call downstairs to the front desk because my mom was here, so I figured, why doesn't my mom do it? She won't do it. And then Jess told me that I should do it because I need life lessons. Well, then guess who didn't want to do it?
Because I didn't know if I could get a cot. We already have 2 beds. And that makes it look like we have 3 people in here.
Well, they
Wait,
have my mom's
don't
money.
post that because what if creepy people see that we're in room 419?
They don't know where we're staying.
Oh, you're right.
I didn't post it anywhere.
Don't follow us.